After years of complete silence, Sony appears ready to breathe new life into one of the most beloved compact camera series ever made. According to the latest industry rumors and supply chain reports, the Sony RX100 Mark VIII has finally appeared on Sony's expected 2026 product roadmap. For photography enthusiasts, this is far more than just another product rumor. It represents the possible return of a legendary camera lineup that many people believed had quietly reached its end. Nearly 6 years have passed without a true successor to the RX100 Mark VII, leaving countless photographers wondering whether Sony had abandoned the premium compact camera market altogether. During that time, smartphones became more powerful every year, featuring larger sensors, AI-powered image processing, and increasingly advanced computational photography. As a result, many people assumed there was simply no longer a place for dedicated pocket cameras. Yet the newest leaks suggest Sony has been quietly preparing something much bigger than anyone expected. If these reports prove accurate, the RX100 Mark VIII could become the compact camera that reminds everyone why dedicated photography hardware still matters. The biggest rumored upgrade begins with an entirely redesigned imaging sensor. Reports suggest Sony is developing a brand new 1-inch stacked Exmor RS CMOS sensor that exceeds the 24-megapixel mark, replacing the 20.1-megapixel sensor used in the RX100 Mark VII. While an increase in megapixels may sound like a simple specification upgrade, the reality is much more significant. A newer sensor can dramatically improve overall image quality by capturing more light, delivering richer colors, increasing dynamic range, and producing cleaner images in difficult lighting conditions. Photographers would enjoy greater flexibility when cropping images while preserving fine detail, making the camera even more useful for travel, wildlife, and street photography. Unlike smartphones that rely heavily on computational photography to artificially sharpen images or brighten shadows, a larger dedicated sensor captures more genuine image data from the very beginning. That means more natural textures, smoother tonal transitions, and photographs that retain realistic detail instead of looking overly processed. Many smartphone users have become frustrated by aggressive software enhancements that sometimes create an unnatural, oil painting appearance, and the RX100 Mark VII could provide a refreshing return to authentic optical image quality. Powering this rumored sensor will likely be Sony's latest BIONZ XR image processing engine, the same advanced processor found in many of the company's professional alpha cameras. This processor would bring enormous improvements in speed, responsiveness, and overall shooting performance. Faster image processing means shorter delays between shots, quicker autofocus calculations, and much higher continuous shooting speeds for capturing fast-moving subjects. Unlike smartphones that often experience thermal limitations during prolonged photo or video sessions, a dedicated camera body is designed specifically to handle sustained workloads without overheating. As smartphones continue becoming thinner while trying to support increasingly demanding camera features, heat management has become a significant engineering challenge. A purpose-built camera like the RX100 Mark VII avoids many of those compromises, allowing photographers to shoot continuously without worrying about performance drops, dimming screens, or battery-draining thermal throttling. The result could be a compact camera that behaves much more like a professional alpha model than a traditional point-and-shoot. Video creators may have even more reasons to be excited. The RX100 Mark VII already delivered impressive 4K recording capabilities, but video expectations have changed dramatically over the past few years. Modern creators increasingly demand higher frame rates, greater color depth, and more flexible editing options. According to current rumors, the RX100 Mark VII could introduce high frame rate 4K recording along with 10-bit internal video recording. For filmmakers and content creators, 10-bit recording represents a substantial leap forward because it captures significantly more color information than standard 8-bit footage. During professional color grading, this additional color data allows smoother gradients, better skin tones, improved highlight recovery, and greater editing flexibility without introducing banding or image degradation. Having these professional-grade capabilities inside a camera small enough to fit into a jacket pocket would make the RX100 Mark VIII an incredibly attractive option for vloggers, documentary filmmakers, travel creators, and journalists who need excellent video quality without carrying heavy cinema equipment. Stabilization also appears to be receiving a major overhaul. Leaks suggest Sony could combine enhanced optical image stabilization with sophisticated AI-assisted electronic correction. Compact cameras have traditionally struggled to match the stabilization performance of larger cameras equipped with in-body image stabilization systems. If Sony successfully integrates advanced stabilization algorithms with improved optical hardware, users may be able to capture remarkably smooth handheld footage without relying on external gimbals or stabilizers. This would significantly simplify travel filmmaking, allowing creators to move freely while maintaining cinematic-looking video. Such improvements would also benefit photographers shooting handheld in lower light, reducing camera shake and improving image sharpness without requiring higher ISO settings. Low-light performance is another area where the RX100 Mark VIII may establish itself as a class leader. Early reports indicate that the combination of the new sensor and BIONZ XR processor could improve noise performance by as much as 2 full stops. That would enable photographers to capture cleaner images in dim restaurants, concerts, museums, city streets, and evening landscapes without depending heavily on flash photography or long multi-second exposures. Combined with Sony's continually improving color science, users could enjoy more natural skin tones, better white balance accuracy, and richer overall color reproduction even under difficult mixed lighting conditions. Instead of relying on artificial night modes that require subjects to remain perfectly still, photographers could capture spontaneous moments naturally with greater confidence. Sony's autofocus system has long been regarded as one of the strongest advantages of its camera lineup, and the RX100 Mark VIII is expected to continue that tradition. While the previous model already featured hundreds of phase detection autofocus points, the newest AI-powered recognition technology could elevate autofocus performance to an entirely new level. Rumors suggest improved subject recognition capable of accurately tracking people, animals, birds, vehicles, and moving objects with exceptional speed and precision. Real-time IAF has already become one of Sony's signature technologies, and additional AI enhancements could make subject tracking even more reliable in unpredictable situations. For sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, family photographers, and content creators, dependable autofocus often determines whether an important moment is successfully captured or permanently missed. Battery life, one of the most common complaints about earlier RX100 models, also appears ready for meaningful improvement. Reports indicate Sony could increase shooting endurance by roughly 30%, allowing photographers to capture significantly more images on a single charge. For travelers spending long days exploring cities or photographers covering events, fewer battery changes would greatly improve convenience. Connectivity is expected to receive important modern upgrades as well. USB-C charging and data transfer are likely to become standard, simplifying cable management while supporting faster file transfers. Faster memory card compatibility could also reduce buffer clearing times during continuous burst shooting, allowing photographers to maintain peak shooting performance for longer periods without interruption. The rear display is another area rumored to receive attention. A brighter, higher-resolution OLED touchscreen would dramatically improve outdoor visibility, making composition and playback much easier under direct sunlight. Enhanced screen brightness would also benefit video creators who frequently monitor recordings outdoors without relying on external monitors. Pricing will ultimately determine whether the RX100 Mark VIII becomes a mainstream success. Smartphones continue becoming more expensive every year, especially flagship models that now approach or exceed premium camera prices. If Sony manages to position the RX100 Mark VIII between approximately $899 and $999, it could occupy an extremely attractive market position. Buyers would receive a true dedicated camera with professional optics, physical controls, superior image quality, and advanced creative flexibility at a price comparable to many flagship smartphones. For photographers who value manual control, optical excellence, and authentic photographic experiences, this camera could represent one of the most compelling purchases in years. Although Sony has not officially confirmed these specifications, excitement surrounding the RX100 Mark VIII continues to grow with every new leak. If even most of these rumored upgrades become reality, the camera could revitalize the premium compact camera category and remind photographers why dedicated imaging devices still have an important place alongside today's increasingly capable smartphones. Rather than replacing phones, the RX100 Mark VIII may become the perfect companion for creators, travelers, vloggers, and professionals who demand outstanding image quality in the smallest possible package. After years of waiting, the return of the RX100 series could easily become one of the biggest camera stories of the decade, proving that genuine photographic innovation still has plenty of room to shine.